Tired of struggling with dull knives that ruin your cooking experience? Here are the 5 best kitchen knife sets I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, the AstraCook 13-piece kitchen knife set, which comes with a whopping 13 pieces for just $19.99. What caught my attention was the anti-rust coating, which really sets it apart for anyone who's tired of dealing with oxidation on their blades. If you want a solid starter set that covers all your cooking needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This set includes everything from an 8-inch chef knife to a serrated bread knife and even kitchen shears, so you can tackle any meal with ease. The healthy anti-rust coating means you won't have to worry about your knives getting ruined after a few washes, and because they're dishwasher safe, cleanup is a breeze. Plus, it includes 6 blade guards, so safe storage is a non-issue. Now here's the catch. Some users mentioned that while the knives are decent, they might not hold their edge as long as premium brands. I'll be real with you, if you're a serious home chef, you might find this frustrating. But if you're just getting started or cooking casually, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a novice cook looking for an affordable way to build your kitchen arsenal. Skip this one if you're a seasoned chef wanting the absolute best performance for professional cooking. With the lifetime warranty, you're getting a solid value for your money. Now, if the protective coating of the AstraCook's knives sounds appealing but you want a few more pieces, the next option might be just what you need.
Product number 2, AstraCook 15-piece knife set with block. We have another AstraCook option, this time a 15-piece knife set that retails for $39.98. What really grabbed my attention here is the built-in sharpener. Seriously, how convenient is that? If you want a comprehensive set that includes a sharpener, this one is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has all the essential knives, including 6 serrated steak knives, which is great for family dinners. The black non-stick and anti-rust coating helps maintain the blade's integrity, while the built-in sharpener means you can keep them razor sharp without any extra tools. Plus, the stainless steel construction is known for its durability, so you won't have to replace these anytime soon. However, be aware that some customers pointed out that the knife block itself feels a bit flimsy and may not last long with heavy use. Now here's the thing though, it's still a great choice for those who prioritize convenience and don't mind a less durable block. This set is perfect for you if you love cooking and want a quality knife set that's easy to maintain. Skip it if you're looking for an all-wood premium block set that screams luxury. At this price point, it's a solid investment for the casual cook. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who appreciate aesthetics and performance. Product number 3, Bruin Universal Knife Block Set. The Bruin Kitchen Knife Set is another fantastic option. What stood out to me was its modern design and ergonomic handles. This just looks good on your counter. If you're after a stylish yet functional set, this one's for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The blades are made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring longevity and sharpness. The ergonomic design with anti-slip textures makes it super comfortable to hold, which is a big deal if you're chopping for prolonged periods. Plus, the fact that both the knives and the block are dishwasher safe means you can keep everything clean without hassle. But let's talk about the downside. Some reviews noted that the knife block can take up a decent amount of space, which might be challenging in smaller kitchens. I get it, if space is at a premium for you, this could be a concern, but if you have the room, it's a stylish addition that offers a lot of value. This knife set is perfect for anyone looking to add elegance to their kitchen without sacrificing performance. Skip it if you have ultra-tight kitchen space or are looking for a full professional grade set. At this price, it's a great deal for everyday cooks. Now, if you're after something that's both aesthetically pleasing and high performance, the next product really shines in that department.
Product number 4 is the AstraCook 14-piece knife set with block. We have the AstraCook Kitchen Knife Set, which boasts 14 pieces for $49.98. What really caught my eye was its aesthetic appeal, combined with a razor-sharp performance. It just looks so good. If you want a knife set that adds style to your kitchen while performing exceptionally, this is worth considering.
Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-carbon stainless steel blades provide incredible sharpness, and with a built-in sharpener, it's easy to keep them that way. The full tang handle design gives you excellent balance and control, which is crucial for intricate cuts. Plus, the elegant design means it's not just a tool, but also a statement piece on your countertop. However, some users did mention that the blades might require more frequent sharpening compared to higher-end brands. Now, here's the thing. It comes with a sharpener, so while you may need to sharpen them more often, you can do it easily at home, making it manageable. This knife set is perfect for home cooks who value both style and functionality. Skip this if you strictly prioritize professional-grade knives designed for heavy-duty use. With a 99-year warranty, you're definitely getting your money's worth here. Alright, that was a fantastic option, but if you're looking for something that's budget-friendly without sacrificing quality, the next product might catch your eye.
Product number 5, Amazon Basics 14-piece knife set. We have the Amazon Basics 14-piece high-carbon stainless steel knife set, which is priced at just $39.99. Honestly, what stood out the most for me was its full tang construction. This means better balance and control, which you really want when slicing and dicing. If you need a reliable set that won't break the bank, this is a solid choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-carbon stainless steel provides lasting sharpness and durability, making it great for everyday use. The ergonomic handles are designed for comfort, which is essential during long cooking sessions. You're also getting a complete set that covers all your basic kitchen needs, from slicing to paring. One concern that popped up in reviews was that some users felt the blades could chip if not maintained properly. But here's the thing. If you take care of them by hand washing and drying immediately, you shouldn't have any issues. It's a common concern with many knife sets, so just keep that in mind. This set is perfect for those who are just starting their cooking journey or anyone looking for a reliable set that won't cost a fortune. Skip it if you're a pro chef who demands the highest performance from your tools. Given the price, it offers excellent value for the average home cook looking to upgrade their kitchen gear. So to wrap it all up, we've covered 5 fantastic kitchen knife sets today. The Astracook 13-piece set is great for beginners, while the 15-piece set offers that added convenience of a built-in sharpener. The Bruin set combines style with functionality, and the Astracook 14-piece set is perfect for those who want aesthetics and performance. Finally, the Amazon Basics set is a budget-friendly option that still delivers quality.